Hello, this is Wouter here, sometimes on AVAX Avalanche Crypto. So all you have to do is just to follow this video, subscribe guys to our channel and like this video. This will be the most important part is that I started to show it for you every single moment. Now we have over here sometimes saying it that I started to use it from my own, as you can think about that recently. Doesn't matter, but this will about be more important than what you think about that. So over here we have to think about that recently. That doesn't matter about how this can be about to be absolutely accepted through the cycle next time, but the important thing is about how can you deal with it and how can you start to understand through it. Thank you for watching.